हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When adopting a new product, the customer does not go through which of the following? Option 1 interest, option 2 comparison, option 3 culture, and option 4 awareness. And the correct answer is option 3 culture. The evaluation of the difference between total benefits and total cost of one marketing offer in comparison to competitive offer is known as option 1 customer satisfaction, option 2 customer perceived value, option 3 customer's expectation, and option 4 customer relationship. And the correct answer is option 2 customer perceived value. Which company created great value for the customer using technology, innovation, and become a game changer? Option 1 Apple, option 2 Nokia, option 3 Samsung, and option 4 OnePlus. And the correct answer is option 1 Apple. Its general political campaigns are explained of option 1 digital marketing, option 2 social marketing, option 3 personal marketing, and option 4 conventional marketing. And the correct answer is option 3 personal marketing. What is the major factor that differentiate a service from a product? Option 1 availability, option 2 intangibility, option 3 price, and option 4 experience. And the correct answer is option 2 intangibility. Everyone likes a Mercedes car, but few can buy it. This is an example of option 1 demand, option 2 desire, option 3 want, and option 4 need. And the correct answer is option 1 demand. In which technique does a company use a social network on the internet to create the brand image? Option 1 community outreach, option 2 viral marketing, option 3 social marketing, and option 4 traditional marketing. And the correct answer is option 2 viral marketing. Remarketing is used for creating demand for which of the following? Option 1 non-usable product, option 2 reusable products, option 3 the renewed use of existing products, and option 4 new products. And the correct answer is option 3 the renewed use of existing products. What does demographic segmentation stand for? Option 1 geographic locations, option 2 description of people and their place in society, option 3 people living in diversified areas, and option 4 location of target customers. And the correct answer is option 2 description of people and their place in society. Choose the factor which is not included as a part of the physical supply. Option 1 storage, option 2 standardization, option 3 transport, and option 4 packing. And the correct answer is option 2 standardization. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।